Welcome to another edition of the anynode video workshops. In this video, you will learn more about the possibility to retrieve real-time data from the anynode frontend via a Microsoft Teams Incoming Webhook. This allows a channel to be set up in Microsoft Teams to which administrators are subscribed. In this channel, all error messages and information from the anynode event log can be retrieved. In practice, this makes it possible to react quickly in the event of connection problems, such as, in the following scenarios: nodes going down, losing access to databases, failure to register, typing in an incorrect login, and an expired certificate. The anynode admin team is then notified quickly, even by mobile, and can react quickly to rectify the situation and get you back up and running as soon as possible. The configuration is done on the Teams side and in the anynode frontend. You need a current Teams client and anynode version 4.4 or higher. We'll start by creating an incoming webhook in the Teams client. Go to the channel where you want to add the webhook and select Add Channel. Enter a name for the channel. You can already restrict access to this channel for a specific group of people here. Now select More Options in the newly added channel and then Connectors. Search for Incoming Webhook in the list and click Configure. Enter a name for the webhook. Optionally upload an anynode logo for better visual recognition. Then click on Create. Copy the displayed URL to save it to the clipboard. You will need this URL in the anynode frontend, which will send data to Teams. Now switch to the anynode frontend to continue with the configuration there. Select Event Transport under Extras. Click on Add to add a new event transport configuration. The event filter allows you to select which category of events should be sent. The default setting sends error messages, warnings, and information messages. We recommend limiting the category to error messages or very special events, otherwise, a lot of events will be sent to the Teams client, decreasing the attention of administrators. You can select and add special events based on an ID list. It is also possible to exclude events based on the ID list. Now select the protocol that will be used to send the events. Set the protocol to HTTP and select the body profile. Select a network controller with internet access. Open the lock at HTTP content type and enter application/JSON. This specifies the data exchange format. The URL of the incoming webhook generated earlier in the Teams client will now be used as the request URI at this point. Please note that the full URI is used. The list of trusted certificates is automatically downloaded from anynode. The certificates are retrieved based on the URL entered and should be at least visually verified for security reasons. User credentials are not required for a Microsoft Teams incoming webhook. In the upper part of the dialog box, select the frontend URL to be used in the notifications. The URLs that are displayed are the ones you have defined for the anynode frontend web server. Do not select the local IP address here, but the one of the anynode computer if you are using an anynode on an anynode server. This address will be sent to the Teams client as a clickable button in the notification card if the following template allows it. Check Customize the template for messages and then add a JSON payload. This defines the information that will be sent to Microsoft Teams. This payload must be in the form of an Office 365 connector. For more information, see the Microsoft documentation. In our community, you can find the tech node Monitoring with Microsoft Teams Incoming Webhook. There we have prepared a customizable template for you on page 18, which you can simply copy and paste. With the integrated test function, the configuration can be checked immediately for the correct function. Select the type of message and click Test. The message is immediately sent to the configured Teams channel. Finally, you can assign a name for this event transport. We use Microsoft Teams Incoming Webhook here. Click Finish to complete the configuration. You will now see an overview of your configuration. Click OK to exit the Event Transport Assistant. A commit is not necessary at this point. This brings us to the end of this video workshop, and thanks for your attention.